Hello everyone students. Today we will learn about the sums, average, count numbers, maximum and minimum. How we can find all these calculations at the Excels we will learn at Excels. Simply select all these items, go to the sum, you can easily find the sums 234s. Now select again all these numbers. Go at the Excels, find the average. You can easily find the average, that is 29.25. For again select all these numbers and go at the count numbers. You can find the total numbers of entities or entries at givens. There are total 8 entries. For easy calculation you can change the color of this and let's suppose you have no field. For maximum numbers you can again go at these formulas, see where is the maximums, click at these maximums. You can find the maximum number is 45 in these 8 entries. Now again select all 8 entries. You can find the minimum numbers at the Excels. This is minimum number at the Excels. This is very simple formulas how to find the sums. Select all these numbers and go and OK this. You get the 234s, and again for average go to this formula. You can find the average. First of all, please note that you have to select all these numbers, then you can find the sum, average, count numbers, maximum and minimums. Today our lecture has been finished. Thank you. Goodbye.